Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MBD Notes. This is the third video of this WordPress series. In previous video, we had a look at how to install WordPress on live server by using auto installer. But in this video, we will install WordPress manually on live server. Step number 1 is to download latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org/downloads. Click on this blue button to download the latest version of WordPress. As you can see over here that I have already downloaded this WordPress. So when we have downloaded this WordPress, we can move on to next step. Step number 2 is to log in into your hosting account. As you can see here that I have successfully logged into my hosting account and opened cPanel. This domain galaxyrecruitments.co.uk was also used in the previous video, but for this video I have deleted the existing WordPress installation. Let's open the file manager. You can see that there are no files. Let's check by visiting our website. You can see here that there are no response from the server. This is because we don't have any files here to serve. Step number 4 is to upload your WordPress zip file to your file manager root directory. So this public HTML is the root folder for this domain. So let's upload our WordPress setup to this directory. We have successfully uploaded WordPress in the root directory of our domain. Step number 4 is to create a database. For that, go to your hosting cPanel, search MySQL. Here you can see MySQL databases option. Click on this. Over here, you need to create a database and a user. In some hostings, you can create users separately from the database. Then you need to assign the database to particular user. In Hostinger, you can create database and user at the same time. So let's go with the very simple password. You can see that this database is created successfully. Next step is to extract WordPress zip file in your root directory of your file manager. Now we can delete this zip file, we don't need it anymore. So this is the WordPress 6.0.1 folder. All the files are in this WordPress folder, but we need to move these files to this public HTML parent directory. So let's move these files. You can see that our destination is public HTML. This WordPress 6.0.1 folder is empty now. Now we can delete this too. So our WordPress files are successfully extracted in this public HTML directory. Next step is to install WordPress. So visit your website. It will show you this WordPress installation process. So select your language. Click on Let's Go. Type the database name over here. So let's copy our database from MySQL databases. Type the username over here. Here you need to write the password, which was. The rest of the parameters do not need to be changed. Click on Run the installation. Here you need to write the site title. Now click on Install WordPress. WordPress is successfully installed. Type your username and password over here. We have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. Let's see our website. So this is the default page of WordPress 6.0.1.